Welcome back to my course. This course includes to know about your instrument, your body and hand positions, finger practices and finger positions, and you'll be learning how to name the keys. You will know the difference between a piano and a keyboard playing. Hand positions, how you manage on a piano, hand positions, how you on a keyboard, which has got the left side, the orchestra section, and the right side, the melody section will be teaching you. And we move on, how to locate the middle C. And we'll start with your basic theory of music, which will spread to a lot of understanding of the elements that are involved in to know and how to play the music. So we'll be reading the notes, the beats, the chords, scales, and more. Through learning the music, through performing through your backing tracks or a metronome, which is a beat sense clock. We'll be learning the chords progressions for each scale and how they are constructed, how they are applied in relation to the songs that we're going to play. We'll be learning the Indian notation system and the Western notation system and then comparative study on that. We'll be learning the scales in Western and Indian notations, which include your ABCD and Saragama formats. We'll be using a sample song in Western and Indian notation to make you to understand how do we read and play them. We'll be learning songs on piano. Separately, we'll be learning on songs on keyboard for those who want to learn on keyboard. We'll be learning a little bit and basic fundamentals of the ragas of Indian music. Because most of the songs from Bollywood approach the concept of using the Bollywood ragas. So we'll be learning few songs with a sample based on ragas. We'll be listing the list of ragas for fundamental understanding, and we'll be giving you a lot of freebies in the form of ebook for keyboard, which is called Learn Keyboard in 30 Days. One of the beautiful book which you don't need a teacher to go further. Once you complete your 30 lessons or the 30 days, you are the master of the course. You can play any instrument, any music you can read. We'll be also providing you the chords used in the music, the puzzle sheet or the worksheet to improve your authenticity in playing skills. Finally, the bonus will be giving you 10 songs for piano and 10 songs for the keyboard, which are very popular from the period 1960 till date as a beginning approach towards playing the most popular song in the simplest way. Once you complete the course, we will be able to understand the later sheet music notations available around the net. Or you can approach Learn and Play indiesongs.com and you'll find largest collection of sheet music notations in ABCD format and Western format. So you can become a member and choose any song and learn yourself. You may also get my additional videos on different songs based on Kishore Kumar songs or Lata Mangeshkar song. Different singers listing will be provided and tutorials on each song will be provided after this course. These other courses are pertaining to this. You have to buy them separately. Once you master this fundamental course, you are ready to make your journey in a better way and become a pro. Thank you for listening for the course that I'm going to include in this syllabus, and you will definitely be successful when you finish this course. Thank you for listening. We will see you in the next lesson.